Decorate your space for fall with fabric pumpkins. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'll show you how. Fall is here, and finding a look for your home doesn't have to cost you a lot of cash.
You can use these anytime, really.
Today I'm teaming up with Debbie Leonard, owner of Prints and Plaids in Winterville.
In here.
I wanted to learn how to make a fabric pumpkin.
These you can, from year to year, you can pack them and they'll last forever.
Debbie agreed to show me how.
I like these because you can make them go with your decor. It doesn't have to be an orange and green.
For this project, you'll need 3/4 of a yard of fabric, scissors, dried beans or rice, polyfill and a stem. You'll also need an upholstery needle and upholstery thread. First, cut out a circle.
Just find something round, a pizza pan. Actually, I took the front off of a fan or anything round.
Next, using a needle and thread, double your string.
You need a piece probably about 4 feet long, and I double it just so it's stronger because you're going to be pulling really hard when you tighten it.
Stitch in and out around the perimeter, about a 1/2 inch in.
Just in and out like this, and then we'll pull it tight once we get the whole thing done. This is going to make a big pumpkin.
Once completed, pull in the string to secure.
And I'm going to pull it a little.
Add weight by adding dried beans or rice.
I'm just going to pour them in here so it'll be easier.
For this project, we used 1.5 cups of pinto beans.
Put enough in here to give it some weight. This is going to be a bigger pumpkin, so I might want like 1.5 cups of beans, so it gives it some weight.
Adjust the amount to meet the needs of your specific project.
Then you want to use the poly fiber and stuff it. It doesn't have to be stuffed really tight because you want these creases to show like a pumpkin would have the shape.
Tie a knot to secure with thread.
Now once we get this filled, we will want to finish closing.
Take your needle from one side to the next and close the hole.
And we're going to make it small enough that our stem will cover these raw edges. We're going to go all the way through to the center of this, pull this through, and then stick it back through here, and that will make it a little flatter.
Tie several knots, then secure a stem with glue.
And we're ready for a stem.
You can use a real stem or make your own using air dry clay. Attach, and you're ready to go.
Right there.
On this episode of Let's Craft,
And it's just got to cool.
I'm Shayla Reaves.